guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Your Girl. On today's episode, we're going to be making some stuffed bell peppers, y'all. This is one of my favorite meals. It's medium easy. It's not super easy, but it doesn't take that long. So I will drop it down so y'all can see where we start. Okay, so first we are gonna put our pot on medium high. We're gonna take an onion. Some mushrooms, so I'm gonna cut up some mushrooms. I'm also gonna be using a couple of cloves of garlic. You just take it, smush it like that, and it makes it a lot easier to peel that plastic off. So now is a good time to season. So I'm going to use some lemon and pepper seasoning. Also some cayenne pepper. Some onion powder. Okay, so at this point the lentils have almost absorbed all of the liquid. I'm going to take some cooked rice. Just want to put about like a cup to a cup and a half in there, along with the lentils. I'm gonna turn the heat down because it's pretty much cooked at this point. So the burner is off and I'm just stirring the rice in there with the lentil mixture. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side and let it cool a little bit while we get the bell peppers ready. Okay, so we have 4 bell peppers right here. What we're gonna do now is preheat our oven. I'm gonna preheat my oven on 375. Okay, so we're just going to get the bell peppers ready to be stuffed. And all we wanna do is take the top like that. Cut off the top. And you just wanna gut it by just cutting the little pieces off of the side. And that is pretty much it. That is nice and clean. So I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of them. Okay, so now that these are cut, I'm going to get my baking sheet and we're just going to put them on the baking sheet. Okay, so I just put some parchment paper on there. We're going to put the bell peppers on here and make sure they're not rocking. So when you fill it, it's not going to fall. So I got the filling right on the side of me, and all I'm gonna do is just spoon it in there now. It's pretty easy. Make sure you keep pushing it down so you have enough room to get as much filling in there as possible. So these are what they're looking like after they are filled. And your oven should already preheated, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven. They should take about 20 to 30 minutes, but just keep checking them to make sure, because I don't know how your oven works, girl, so don't be blaming me if you burn them, okay? Okay guys, so they have been in the oven for about 35 minutes. I kept them in a little longer. And this is what they're looking like. Nice and crispy on the outside. The bell pepper is nice and soft. And I'm gonna cut it open for you guys, because that is the best part. Hold up, y'all, let me get a knife. Okay guys, we're just gonna cut it open. So that is what it looks like open. Can y'all see the steam coming from there? So good! I'm gonna bring y'all up so we can get started with the official taste test. You cool. And you. Okay, I got a fork, I got a knife. I'm gonna go, girl, why is fork dirty? Why is knife dirty? Oh, I just used it to cut. Okay, never mind. All right, I'm getting in there. Ooh. It's gonna be hot though. That's delicious. It's just so much flavors in there because we sauteed the garlic and the onion. So good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the red button if you haven't hit it already. Hit the bell so that you know when I post these videos. Follow me on my social media because I post on there as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.